Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Honda Civic SR. Now of course this is a 1.6 litre diesel and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights and fog lights. You also get front parking sensors, you get these brilliant gunmetal grey 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, we've also got your rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. Then into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which do fold flat with this level just here. Then coming out to the round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around. Then coming into the front, we then have your 6-speed manual gearbox, which you can see just there. Your dual climate control just here as well, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Then within here, we've got your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just here. We've then got your Bluetooth hands-free, and also you can activate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto within here as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant, and then your Bluetooth hands-free options are just there. The arrows here work between the infotainment screen and the onboard computer. Over on the right, we have your adaptive cruise control settings just here with lane keep assist, distance control, speed limiter. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 46,319 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.